Hello, we are Team 3 and we will be discussing the marketing strategy of Macy's. Macy's is in the midst of a retail revolution. The company is seeing rapid changes to consumer behavior, supply chain, and marketing channels due to the evolution of the digital age. This 160-year-old company now finds itself at a crossroad. Swiftly change course in order to stay relevant or vanish along with many of its recent retail counterparts. The millennial generation is an emerging consumer group with unprecedented buying power, and in order to thrive, Macy's will need to capture this critical target market. In the following slides, we will be discussing the ways in which Macy's can attract this new market and outline a strategic roadmap to achieve continued relevance in a shifting retail environment. First, we will examine the SMART objectives. 4 strategic objectives have been identified. Objective 1 and 2 focus on enhancing Macy's online presence. This will increase online and app-based purchases and availability of relevant data for direct marketing. Objective 3 recommends the reduction of square footage at brick-and-mortar locations. Macy's can keep minimal inventory on hand, so customers may still visit the store to showroom, purchase the item via Macy's website or mobile app, and then ship the items directly to their doorstep. This will help boost online sales as well as decrease inventory costs and overhead. Objective 4 aims at increasing sustainable and ethical brand offerings and partnering with local vendors. This gives Macy's a core identity that is appealing to the millennial generation. To determine Macy's strategic message, 3 questions were explored with the new SMART objectives in mind. What does Macy's do? What problem is Macy's trying to solve for its customers? And how is Macy's different from its competitors? The answers to these questions guided Macy's new vision and value proposition. The millennial generation values simplicity and efficiency, so the new vision focuses on meeting its customers exactly where they are, on-site, online, and at all price points. The value proposition captures how Macy's can differentiate itself in an extremely competitive red ocean. New age retailers like Amazon have taken precious market share by offering simplicity. Traditional retail is often described by consumers as a chore, and Macy's seeks to change this perception with decluttered stores, user-friendly online platforms, and hassle-free purchasing. In addition, Macy's will differentiate itself through community partnerships and social stewardship. At the very core of this new messaging strategy is simplicity and differentiation. This is rooted in 2 objectives. 1, make the shopping experience for consumers seamless, simple, and efficient. And 2, differentiate its core values and offerings through adoption of greater corporate social responsibility. This will give Macy's the ability to thrive in a competitive red ocean and will exhibit a commitment to customers that its direct competitors have yet to fulfill.
In order to increase online and app-based shopping sales by 20% in the next 12 months and to reach millennials, Macy's will offer a new online personal styling clothing service to men and women. The subscription services for fashion have revolutionized the industry, and the online clothing service offered by Macy's will help complement its brick-and-mortar spending and drive more target market customers into Macy's stores. Millennials in particular are more interested in subscription services compared to any other generation. Macy's online subscription service will offer its customers the ability to experience Macy's sustainable brands and products, which will help the strategic objective of building a new Macy's brand with corporate social responsibility. This is an important feature of gaining the millennials as they are more interested in the social good that companies deliver. In order to complement this trend in stores, Macy's will also dedicate a section of its stores to display these same sustainable brands and products to its shoppers. Macy's stores will always incorporate promotions, but it's already reducing its promotional calendar, and it should focus on fewer, larger sales that generate more interest. This pricing strategy should help increase online and app-based shopping sales and decrease on-hand inventory in its brick-and-mortar locations. Macy's will target a marketing and pricing strategy similar to the Nordstrom Anniversary Sale. This sale will mark down merchandise for offerings in the brand new fall season rather than just trying to move seasonal products out of inventory. Macy's will work with influencers in the fashion community to generate social media interest around this once-a-year sale. This tactic should help raise Macy's e-commerce stature and help target the key millennial consumer group. Macy's is also focused on its off-price strategy with its brand Backstage. Macy's needs to make a clear differentiator between the full-price stores and its Backstage stores by providing an exceptional service model, variety of merchandise, and an improved shopping experience. Additionally, off-price strategy should help to attract more millennials that are prioritizing experiences and technology over spending on fashion.
The popularity of smartphones has made the market available on consumers' palm. Macy's is expanding its online channel strategy with particular attention to mobile shopping. The mobile application will provide search, compare, shop, discounts, and virtual reality. The app is integrated to work while in-store shopping with features like the Backstage Pass and mobile checkout. Macy's is also renovating its stores to showcase the products and bring multiple vendors like LensCrafters, Starbucks under market at Macy's. The brick and mortar stores will have special areas for storage, delivery, and returns of online items. Macy's is working with channel partners like Amazon and Facebook to provide its customers with diverse product options. The channel partnership allows Macy's to reach a broader demographic and access to partners' repeat customers. Example, Amazon's Dash button. The channel partnership allows Macy's access to new vendors and brands to showcase under its Market at Macy's umbrella.
So the target customer for this market strategic marketing plan is the millennials, a group of people who age from 22 to 37. Overall, there are 80 million millennials in the United States, and many of them have career, kids, and live their own houses. According to one research, millennials will going to have a high spending power of $1.4 trillion by 2020. Millennials are a very unique group of people. They are well informed, loyal, socially responsible, environmentally conscious consumers who look for the seamless experience. Millennials are highly value-driven generation. They believe on the civic values that mean to be a good citizen. They highly care about the society as well as the environment. According to one study, 50% of millennial shoppers enjoy purchasing products from brands that support charities and causes. Similarly, they also highly care about the environment and saving the planet, as 73% of millennials consumers are willing to spend more on the product if it comes from the sustainable brand. Similarly, tech savviness and connectivity is the personality trait of millennial generation. This generation have grown up with the technology and computer, and they simply expect technology to work for them. They were also early adopter of smartphone, and according to one study, they also spend 5 to 10 hours online every day. And this enable them, also make them a social generation, as being connectedness is one of the lifestyle of millennials. According to one study, three-quarters have profile on social networking sites like Facebook, Instagram, Pinterest. And these millennials network through these networking sites and take recommendations which also go into their purchasing uh, decisions. Thus, Macy's strategy to increase the digital presence will highly attract millennial population.
Macy's high-effort sales more frequently attract baby boomers rather than millennials due to methods of communication. Macy's communicates with their consumers by print media such as direct mail, newspapers, and magazines, which baby boomers are more accustomed to. Once consumers collect the various coupons directly from Macy's and also from vendors, consumers can use these coupons on top of promotions to purchase a product at a very affordable price. This system worked very well 5 to 10 years ago and is still very popular among baby boomers. However, millennials are less accustomed to this. Macy's need to find a new method to communicate and gain millennial sales. It is possible to transfer 30% of the print media and TV advertising spending to digital marketing, streaming platforms, and social media advertising in order to gain the next generation's attention. Regular communication through their website and an application will allow Macy's to create an image of it experiencing the products. This can be made more effective through the use of celebrity influencers. This should eventually be expanded to a more robust digital network and social media platform. Product details and price comparison via 1-minute video clips and visual effects are highly recommended to gain positive analytical attitudes such as well as social identity. For low-effort products, Macy's offer products such as clothes and shoes. Consumers form a belief based on low processing component effects such as simple beliefs and unconscious influences. In order to increase its sales and revenue from low-effort sales to younger generation, the company needs to increase its online application markets to better communicate with consumers and build an unconscious relationship which can lead to low-effort processing purchases. It is recommended that Macy's build a stronger networking platforms that will in turn create a stronger relationship and reciprocal close for consumers. By making online and application channels stronger, Macy's can create an easier access and communication with their customers, which can translate to more transparent relationship and simple beliefs for more exposure, effect, and positive moods towards the company. The more picture and description of the product are needed to better communicate with its consumers. Compared to Amazon, Macy's lacks visual view of product and a quick delivery system. Macy's need to work on demonstrating a better visuals of the product, which with different moods and angles to deliver a more comprehensive understanding of the product. Detailed description and the full consumer reviews on the product will help gain transparency and relationship with its customers. Macy's message strategy incorporates the corporate vision and consumer inputs. Macy's wants to simplify its current structure, including the stores, and to simplify consumer experience to buy anywhere and anytime. Macy's wants to reduce the actual floor space in multiple story stores and provide consumers with an easy-to-find shopping experience. Combining this with Macy's digital platform, consumers can use the same mobile application to buy online and in-store. Macy's will divert up to 30% of its print media and TV advertising budget to online resources. Macy's will differentiate itself from competitors by taking consumer value to heart and allocating the delicate budget and resources to offer environmental friendly, sustainable, and locally manufactured products. These efforts are fundamental to creating a new responsible Macy's brand. Macy's wants to present itself as a leader aligned with the consumer's social value. The future message strategy will take this brand image forward to the advertisement channels most suited to the market consumers.